Hey beauties, I hope you're having a great day. So as you've seen from title already, today we're gonna be reviewing the brand new NYX Love Disco eyeliner. I think this is an epic ink eyeliner. Oh, actually it is. It says on the back. So epic ink eyeliner, which is super popular for being amazing and all. I haven't tried original actually, to be honest. So this is a first one for me. So far, this looks amazing. It's brand new. I haven't unpacked it yet, as I want this to be a proper first impressions in depth review, as with all my reviews I do. I think without any further ado, well, let's open this up and see what we got. Okay, so what it says to begin with on the packaging, it says that it's a waterproof eyeliner. Humongous thumbs up for that, because I do have super oily skin, and that includes my eyelids as well. Trust me enough, but my eyelids sweat somehow. I don't know. Mystery. So it means I need a waterproof eyeliner to keep it on all day without bleeding or anything like that. Oh wait, I have in a color black. Packaging so far looks amazing. I love that it's a pen liner as well. I do have hooded eyes, and I find it easier to use the pen liner rather than the liquid liner with, you know, a longer brush. In that case, I would just use my own brush to do the liner. I like this tip as well. It looks like it will be easy to use. Just draw a hand. I'm gonna leave it to dry on a hand and then see how waterproof or smudge proof it is, as I have a glass of water in here so we can try water test. But so far I really love the packaging. Love it as a pen eyeliner rather than a liquid, you know, in a little tube. So I think without any further ado, let's put it in a use and see how good or bad it is. So as you see, I don't have any product on my eyes yet, or on my face. I just did my brows actually. I'm gonna apply the eyeshadow prior applying the eyeliner. So let's just do that. So I'm gonna start from priming my eyes. So I'm just gonna use my usual concealer. So I'm gonna quickly set this in with Big and Blot translucent setting powder. Because the eyeliner is by NYX, I thought I'm gonna go with NYX eyeshadow palette. So this one is Licorice Lane, and I'm gonna use these three pink purplish colors. So I'm gonna use this as my transition color to begin with. On the outer corner, I'm gonna go with this color, and then closer to the inner eye corner with this color on a mobile lid. Alright you guys, the moment of truth. Let's test out with this Love Disco Epic eyeliner. Wow you guys, I honestly love this brush. It's so easy to use. The tip, the applicator, oh my god, glides so easily, and it's packed with pigment. You know, with some other pen liners, you might need to close the cap and give it a little bit of a shake to get more ink to the tip. I went in one go. I didn't close the cap, I didn't shake it. It's proper like black eyeliner. You know, with some eyeliners it says black, but then it's more of a dark gray rather than intense black. So yeah, for that reason, love this already. And the eyeliner is on. This was very quick and very easy. It gives so much precision and it's really easy to use. Loving this so far, can't fail it. I'm just gonna quickly fix the eyes a little bit. I'm gonna add more of this darker purple color, just a little bit more. Always do that with a shadow after I apply the eyeliner. Next thing what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna apply a bit of mascara, so I'm gonna go with NYX again because we're testing out the NYX eyeliner, so you know, why not? By the way, before some of you is gonna say, oh, this eyeliner looks like a bad wig or anything, it's because that I have hooded eyes, so if I look straight, the eyeliner has the straight line. If I look down, it looks obviously different because my hood stretch out. If I look to the side, it looks different. If I look straight to the side, it looks different, you know, because I have hooded eyes. I'm like, oh, why do I need to explain myself every time I do the eyeliner on my super hooded eyes? And then someone would say, I have hooded eyes, but my eyeliner doesn't look like this. Because hooded eyes doesn't equal hooded eyes. You might have just hood in here, which is perfect then. But the worst is when you have a hood or droopy eyes on the side, then it gets difficult to apply the eyeliner. At the end of that conversation, let's apply the mascara. So I'm gonna use for that the mascara shield because I do have hooded eyes, as I just said. And mascara would just go on my hood. Mascara is on. I want a bit of a falsies on the outer corner, so I'm gonna go with Ardell's Magnetic Accents. And the falsies are on. As you see, I had this tester eyeliner on the entire time while I was doing my eyes. So I think let's put this to a test and check out if it's really waterproof. Let's see. So if I just go like this, oh, okay, nothing happens. So if you just, you know, gonna stand underwater without rubbing it, nothing's happening. Okay, I'm gonna get a bit more water so my fingers wet again. I'm gonna try to smudge. Let's see what's gonna happen with a wet finger, with water. It's cleaning off slightly bit, but it's not bleeding or anything. It's not crumbling, it's not bleeding. You're losing a bit of a pigment and, you know, color, but it's not bleeding, which is amazing. That means it's proper waterproof. Yay! I'm gonna try to clean with tissue on the top. Let's see if it's gonna clean off now. Proper rubbing, by the way. Still on. I mean, the color cleaned off. It's not as intense as it was before, but it's still on. It didn't bleed, it didn't crumble. Wow! I am really impressed. Okay, so what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna finish off the face and film another video as I've been doing review for this Spa Science Aero. It's like a face massager. Basically what it does, it lets any face product that you use, cream, serum, oil, whatever it is, whatever purpose it's for, to get deeper into the skin and get absorbed faster and better, and therefore the product that you use would work better because it would probably get absorbed by the skin instead of sitting on the top layer of the skin. So I've been testing out this for 2 weeks. So I want to go in and finish off filming that video. So it's gonna take maybe 1 hour, I don't know, because I'm gonna finish off my makeup, do foundation as well afterwards, and then I'm gonna come back to you and we're gonna see if the eyeliner crumbled or anything whatsoever in the meantime, because I'm pretty sure my eyelids by the time, like my skin in general, by the time would get oily, therefore my eyelids. So we'll see if there's gonna be any change of the eyeliner. And I'm back, guys. Okay, so I took actually more than 1 hour. I think it was like 2 hours maybe, because I filmed this another video, finished doing my makeup, had some food, I went for some grocery shopping. Now I'm back to finish off this eyeliner review video. Okay, so I think we're just gonna finish off this eye makeup look first because the lower lash line is absolutely undone. So I'm coming back to the same NYX palette with this color in here. I'm gonna go all over the lower lash line. So I'm just gonna quickly use Revolution Eye Glisten Foil and Glitter Eyeshadow, Liquid Eyeshadow in yours truly, this glitter part, to brighten up in the eye corner. A bit of a mascara. And the eyes complete with this Love Just Disco eyeliner, Epic Ink eyeliner. What do you guys think? So as I mentioned, between the beginning of this video and the end of the video, I had 2 hours break. If you would check my eyeliner, it didn't break, it didn't bleed a little bit or crumble, especially because I have hooded eyes. So with some eyeliners, liquid eyeliners, it tends to kind of crumble, go into this hood and a winkle a little bit, so it would be like an empty gap. It does happen more than I would love to with some products, with some even very pricey products, but this lives it up to its promise. It's definitely, you know, waterproof, and as it looks, sweat proof as well, and hooded eyes proof, which is absolutely amazing. Humongous thumbs up from me for this product from NYX. I'm definitely going to be using this in my future videos and in daily life in general. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you enjoyed watching it. If so, please don't forget to press the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more, and I shall see you very soon. So thank you so much for watching, and bye. Have a good day, guys.